Because of the Ukrainian war, we have changed our logo to the Ukrainian flag. Please donate to the Ukrainian Red Cross to help injured people in the war. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you some things you can do on DevSites that I never showed you, such as adding a video or getting a poll plugin, any of those. It's all in German, so it's quite hard to read, but I'm going to show you. So go over to DevSites, then go to Sites, My Sites, let's say I wanted to add a video on Dev's Shoutout or Demo. I'll go to Demo. I might go to YouTube to get my video. Make sure you watched all my videos. Go to videos. Might get my first video, since it's my first video. Delete that tab and go over to here. Now click this little icon over here. Now this should pop up. You can translate it to English if it's hard to read. Now you'll see this. You have to upload .swf. We don't want that, so we want to go to General. Type Windows Media and put in the URL there. Insert. And you can scroll it down all the way to the bottom. About there. And go to Save. Let's go to the site. Click Create Website. I don't know why it says that. And there's the video. You can go play it.
Hi guys.
Yeah, that video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because that will probably give you good luck and you'll be able to see my videos. And to make a poll, go to Edit Sidebar. So poll in German is Anfrage. I don't know why. Then click Edit. This should pop up, and you can give it a name and give it options like that. And then save. Like that. And yeah, so that's how you do it all. all those videos and stuff like that. You can also insert one of these, a table. Insert one of those characters or an emoji. Insert images. I've had this website builder for about 2 months. It was actually made about 1 week after Debbie Coding was made, which is cool. So yeah, bye! See you in the next video.